Hi everyone, I'm Jodi Barrows with the Square in a Square technique where you can make any quilt with speed and accuracy. Hey, welcome to our class today. We're going to be talking about the storm at sea and going from the most simple of the layout of the design to more complicated pieces. I think you'll be amazed. If you've never looked at the storm at sea in detail, you're in for a treat and you're going to learn a lot. Now, Storm at Sea has become a quilt since about 2019 in my realm of quilting, has just constantly and continually popped out in ideas and designs and just beautiful quilts. I've got, I think, 8 extra quilts I'm going to show you today that all build off of this Storm at Sea design. And we have a new quilt coming with it that will be in Quilt Club later this fall. So make sure that you stay tuned, make sure your emails are good and current so that you can get your notifications about all of the fun and exciting things that we have going on. Now, for those of you that are new to us, I have been sewing and quilting all of my life, and about 40 years ago is when I came up with the Square in a Square system, and that's now how I make every quilt. And I think once you learn it and you get to looking at it, that you will fall in love with it and that you will see all of the design possibilities. We have a quilt text hotline, and I know I'm preaching to the crowd here today, but I want you to use the quilt text hotline. I don't want you to be afraid to use it. I don't want you to think that you're bothering me. I have a couple of ladies that I hear from several times a week, and sometimes it's just for them to show off their blocks, not necessarily a question. But if you have color questions, sizing questions, you're looking at the charts in the book, there's something you don't quite understand, I want you to send a text to this number, 817-713-2879. And if you can, send me a picture or a video that helps me get right to what you're trying to learn right away and quicker, and it can save some back and forth. But just this week, I helped a lady with color. I looked at a lady's beautiful blocks that she's so excited that she has learned Square to Square and that she can just jump out there and make everything. I helped the lady choose some fabrics. I helped the lady learn strip size. I helped the lady learn a chart for option 17. I mean, there's just all kinds of things that we do. Sometimes I print them off and read them to you because I want you to know there's other people out there just like you. And I was just like you, struggling, trying to figure out how to make beautiful quilts and to not feel like that there was a design that I couldn't make or one that I shied away from because I thought it would take too much time, or maybe I didn't even have the skill level to do that. And mind you, I was doing bound buttonholes and tailoring in my teens, and so I was very accomplished with the sewing machine. But when it came to putting all these pieces together for quilts, I really struggled with it, and that's how I came up with the Square and Square system. And we're going to show you that here in just a minute. But this one, she said, thank you so much for your videos on the half square triangles. Thank you for showing me a heart pattern. So she was trying to make a heart, and so I was able to help her and go back and forth and had some pictures and patterns and stuff to help her with. She said, your method for making this heart is much better than the original design I was looking at. Square to Square is more efficient, and I love the technique. So I love that she was searching and that she reached out and said, help me with this, help me see it with square eyes. And this one says, thank you for your help for the reference book and the charts and telling me to practice, to make practice blocks. And I think that's very important. That way you can just focus in on the technique and learning the different things that will help you instead of thinking about my sizing, my colors, is this looking the way I want it to for the design that I'm trying to make. Jump out there with some practice blocks and it'll get you down that road faster. She continues and says, your system, your books, your teaching is a wealth of video, is a wealth, and they're amazing. I'm so glad I signed up for Premium Club in 2018. So she's been a member for a long, long time. And the webinar technology just keeps improving, and Steve does a great job. So I love to hear you guys compliment Steve because we couldn't be doing this without him and his technology, his IT, and his willingness and to do this and the fun that he's having. This one says, I appreciate you guys so much. I love using your technique because my blocks come out so accurate. I've since used a square and a square to make all of my quilts. So yay.